Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add a cash on delivery extra charge in your Shopify store. Cash on delivery is great for conversions, but it comes at a real cost. Couriers charge you extra just to handle COD orders. On top of that, COD orders get refused or returned way more often than prepaid ones, and the cash takes longer to actually land in your account. If you're running a decent volume of COD orders every month, all of that quietly chips away at your margins without you even noticing. Shopify doesn't give you a built-in way to charge extra for COD, since it treats it as a manual payment method with no processing fees attached. That's where the Extra Fees Manager app comes in. It lets you add a COD transaction fee that only kicks in when a customer chooses cash on delivery. So your prepaid customers keep paying exactly what they see, while COD orders carry a small charge that helps cover your added costs and filters out the less serious buyers. Now let's see how you can create a COD payment method-based fee. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Apps, then find the Extra Fees Manager and click on the Fees menu. Here you can create and manage all fees of your e-commerce store. Now, let's click on the Create Fee button. Here you'll set up your COD charge. Give it a clear name, something like COD Handling Charge. Enter the fee amount here. Now, let's scroll down for more control. You can turn on Enable Conditional Rules. Here you can set the fee to apply only under specific conditions. Click on this Add Rule button. Now, select the Payment Method Surcharge option from the conditions here, and then select a COD payment gateway on which you want to apply the extra fees. Now, click on the Create Fees button. So, as you can see that our extra fees have been created. Now let's test it. Go to your storefront, add a product to cart and go to the checkout page. Currently, there are no applied fees in the order total. In the billing section, if you change the payment method to credit card, the COD handling charge will be hidden. However, once you select the COD payment method, you'll see an Extra Fees section. Simply click on this section to add the COD handling charge to your order. Now, you can see that the extra fees have been added to the order total. With this setup, you stop quietly absorbing COD handling costs on every single order. You'll see fewer refused deliveries and return to origin cases, since the small fee naturally filters out non-serious buyers. And that's it. This way, you can use Extra Fees Manager to add a cash on delivery charge without losing the flexibility COD gives your customers. Don't let COD handling costs eat into your Shopify store's revenue. Install Extra Fees Manager using the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and want more Shopify tutorials like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.